Welcome. This video is going to show you beauty hacks using olive oil. The first beauty hack using olive oil is a hair mask. You can warm up any conditioner that you have in a microwave for 20 seconds. Then mix 1 or 2 tablespoons of olive oil to it, depending on how much hair you have. Wear it in your hair for 20 minutes to an hour and then wash your hair well. Say hello to well moisturized hair. Sometimes I do this without conditioner. Try a mix of 2 tablespoons of olive oil with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice for dry roots or dandruff. Massage the mixture into your scalp and then wash out. The second beauty hack with olive oil is a DIY makeup remover. I featured this on my channel a long time ago. These measurements are for a 200 ml bottle, 3/4 of a cup of distilled water, 1.5 tablespoons of baby wash or a tearless baby shampoo, and half a teaspoon of olive oil. Adjust these measurements according to the size of your container. And this remover will work to take off any standard eye makeup. But if you have tougher makeup, you can always add a little more olive oil to make it stronger. The third beauty hack with olive oil is a lip scrub DIY. We all know that DIY lip scrubs start with sugar and honey, but if you add olive oil, it can add a conditioning element to your lip scrub. You can use raw sugar or brown sugar or granulated sugar for different exfoliating textures. This scrub would also work really well for elbows or rough patches on the body. The fourth hack with olive oil is a face mask. I followed this recipe from an old Michelle Phan video, the undefeated queen of beauty DIYs. Take half a tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of honey. Microwave for a few seconds and let it cool. Then spread the mixture on your face and wear it for 15 minutes, then wash off. This is perfect for dry and sensitive skin, but it works well on oily skin too. Tell me in the comments if you've tried any olive oil beauty hacks. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe for new videos on Tuesday and Thursday and smash that like button. Bye!